Welcome to Japan Web3 Weekly, presented by Makoto. I'm Keisuke, co-founder CEO. This is our 28th of Japan Web3 Weekly, where we bring you key developments from Japan Web3 market every Sunday. Let me share 3 significant updates from this week. First, Japan's Financial Services Agency has taken unprecedented action against 5 unregistered overseas crypto exchanges, requesting Apple and Google to remove their apps from their stores. The targeted exchanges are Bybit, MEXC Global, L-Bank Exchange, KuCoin, and Bitget. Payment Services Act requires crypto exchanges to be registered in Japan to offer crypto trading and custody services to local users, and the FSA had previously issued multiple warnings to these platforms. However, as they continued operating without license, the regulator took the extraordinary step of requesting app removals. Apple has already complied, delisting the apps from the App Store as of February 6th. Google's response regarding the Google Play Store remains unknown. While this action prevents new downloads, the existing users can still access the exchanges via their websites, raising questions about whether further enforcements such as website restrictions might follow. This move has prompted concerns among Japanese crypto users, many of whom rely on overseas exchanges for a broader range of assets and better trading options. Some traders now moving their assets to self-custodial wallets or decentralized exchanges in anticipation of further regulatory measures. On the other hand, the crackdown could benefit Japan's licensed crypto exchanges, as the users may increasingly turn to domestic platforms. This comes at a time when new players like Backpack and Hong Kong's OSL Group are planning to enter the Japanese market, potentially reshaping the country's crypto trading landscape. Second, Japanese real estate company, Open House Group, has started accepting Bitcoin and Ether for property purchases, specifically targeting international buyers. This marks a significant step in integrating crypto into Japan's real estate market. Open House has been exploring blockchain applications since 2022, supporting Lightning Network development through the Diamond Hands community. The company sees crypto payments as an efficient solution for cross-border transactions, offering lower fees and faster settlement times compared to traditional banking methods. This move could encourage broader institutional adoption of crypto in real estate and financial services. Finally, SBI Holdings, one of Japan's largest financial groups, has reported a remarkable 786% increase in crypto-related profits in its third quarter earnings for the 2025 fiscal year. The company's crypto revenue surged to $420 million, largely driven by Bitcoin's price rally and strong performance from its exchanges, SBI Visit Trade and Bitcoin. Additionally, SBI has acquired customer accounts and assets from DMM Bitcoin following the latter closure due to a security breach. This transition has further strengthened SBI's market dominance, positioning it as a key player in Japan's Web3 industry. That's all for this week's Japan's Web3 Weekly. Makoto helps international projects enter the Japanese market through comprehensive support services, just like your country manager. See you next week!